Okay guys, good morning. Right now we have 3 accounts. Made the switch over to Ava after withdrawing from FBS. Um, so right now we have what we're expecting to be a nice little pullback here on EU. We've been selling it. Actually been waiting for it to drop. It's been dropping now. Finally underneath our sell level. So we're just waiting for the profit. So we have these 3 accounts: the Ava, LMFX, and the little that remained in FBS, which is now increasing. So this trade, I believe, 122 is 122.31. 122.37. So 122.37 is the take profit. So we need about 9 points more for it to drop. Give me one moment and I'll continue. I want to give you guys some information as far as some formations you can use, that you can use some pretty high equity to take advantage of. Okay, so I'm back. So now, if you look back at some of the videos that we've created, or that I've created for you guys, you'll notice we talk a lot about cup and handle, formations, and it's very important to understand that when you're looking at formations, you don't want to get in once it's confirmed. You want to predict a formation. Okay, so when you look at the cup and handle formation, you have to really ask yourself, okay, well, if I'm going to predict a cup and handle formation, first of all, what is it? Okay, so one of the things that you can look at, and this is a pretty dead chart, you'll see a lot of cups. Okay, here you have the left side of the cup, the bottom, the right. Okay, here the same, this little left side, the bottom, the right. You can look at it however you want. You can look at it inverted like this, where it's upside down, or you can look at it right side up. Now the trick is, well, how do you proceed that? How do you predict that? Okay, well, if you look back at some of the videos, okay, if you look back at the videos that I've created for you, you will notice, it will tell you exactly how you can predict these formations, especially the cup and handle, which is very important, and also known as the what you guys call correction. So what is a correction? Correction means whenever you have a previous run, a perceived previous run. So someone looking at the 1-minute chart may see a 50-point drop, but someone looking at the hourly may see a 500-point increase. Okay, so the correction would be whatever the perceived last run is. So if it was a 50-point move down, a correction would be the move up, which would be a 50% move back up, or 100% back move up, or 75%, 23.6, whatever it is that you believe it to be. Now, if you look back at some of the videos that was created, you'll see that I specifically mentioned how to predict the normal cup and handle and the inverted cup and handle, as well as using the MA line, the moving averages. Okay, because the moving averages is very important for you to determine visually. It isn't an indicator as to say, okay, well, when it crosses, then you buy, or when it crosses, then you sell. No, it's basically telling you, well, when it crosses, this is what you need to look for. You need to start calculating, well, the left side, or you need to start calculating the bottom, or you need to start calculating the right side of the cup and handle. So formidably, like if you're looking here, okay, you'll see the cup. This is the left hand side, here's the high, and here's the right hand side. But it doesn't look nice okay? Because we're on the 1 minute time frame. The 1 minute time frame tends to be like 15 point up, and then the correction will be the 15 points move down. But if we were to change this to, let's say, 5 minutes, and look at the same move, okay, if we were to add MA lines, they will look exactly the same, okay? So the less candles you have, the much neater it looks, okay? See it here as well, okay? Doesn't matter how you look at it. EU went up, it made a high and came back down. So it doesn't matter which time frame you look at it. If you're looking at it on the hourly, or if you're looking at it on the monthly, or if you're looking at it on the minute, you're going to see the same exact thing, okay? So what does that mean? What does it mean to see the same formation? Well, pretty much what it means is that the instruments that you're trading all trades in loops, all trades in a predictable fashion. Okay, we're gonna close this, hope for a little spike up, and then show you how to average up a little bit. Okay, so why did I close? Well, what I'm hoping for, although the take profit is 122.37, because it's so slow, what I'm hoping for is maybe a small retrace, okay, or a correction. See, because the move is down. So I would hope for a correction, maybe back up to here, 58, and then go back in and sell again. Okay, so please, guys, have a look at the photos. Have a look at have a look at the videos that was mentioned, the cup and handles, and ask questions. I will be sure to answer it, guys.